Hi guys, welcome to the channel. VST is back with another video featuring the S21 Ultra and the S22 Ultra, and yeah, they don't really look anything like alike. But guys, this video here is gonna be speed test. A lot of you wanted me to do this video first, and here it comes. Please also make sure to check my other videos. I tested the refresh rate, a lot of controversy there as well. I throttled this phone to that 1 hour throttling torture test, and etc. I also installed the latest March update here. So the first test, of course, is gonna be, just starting the phone. So in 3, 2, 1, okay. Yep, all right. I got the buzz from the S22 Ultra a bit quicker. And this is the phone on the left, by the way. All right, so let's just see which phone is going to boot first. While we're booting, I'm gonna give you some details on how I wanna do the test. So mainly applications from the real world. And wow, with that saying, S22 Ultra absolutely blowing away the S21 Ultra by, yeah, maybe more than 10-15 seconds. And I told you I'm gonna give you guys some details on how I'm gonna do the test. Those phones both are running in a bare bones setup. Just now the Samsung was able to boot. S21 Ultra definitely slower. As promised guys, I'm gonna give you the idea of the bare bone phone. It means only gestures, it means no SIM card, it means running on the FHD resolution, no Samsung account. I didn't really load 1000 apps. I usually have something like 600 apps on my phone. So I just loaded the very much required apps for this speed test. And as I told you guys, I'm giving you now some details. I'm gonna do the following things. I'm gonna run some very famous social applications, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, because people are using this, and it's very important for the S22 Ultra because they really promise improvements, specifically on the camera side. Then of course games, Ashpalt, PUBG, Odyssey, and also Roblox. Then I have the Power Director and CapCut because I want to render some flicks with you, just see which phone is gonna do this first. And then I'm gonna be just doing some standard stuff like going through some of the Google applications, like Chrome and etc. Just take a look guys, like I told you, there is no lie, right? Those phones really almost have nothing, okay? And just for a start, I'm gonna go here in the recents menu and close everything, right? All the applications are now closed. I wanted to make sure that we start with all the optimum conditions. And without any further ado guys, let's start with Snapchat. Okay, interesting. All right, just close, okay. Just gonna close it, just gonna load it one more time. All right, definitely the Samsung S22 Ultra here on the left was a bit quicker. Okay, let's just see some browsing there. Okay, just see some comment section. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, seems pretty much the same. Just gonna do this one more time just so that we are really on the safe side, and I will not really close all those applications. I want to leave them in the memory to see what will happen at the end. So one more time, Snapchat. All right, definitely S22 Ultra was the winner here. So Instagram. Instagram, interesting. I think here this was the winner. Okay, let's just try to browse, like all the browsing, see how browsing works and etc. Now let's go to the left where we have the Instagram camera. Okay, definitely the Samsung. There was though like this glitch, but I think definitely the Samsung was the winner here. So okay, let's just go also to the Instagram TV, see what happens. Okay, yeah. It all seems quite nice, quite flawless, not a problem. And also one more time going back. Okay, let's go back to the camera. Okay, definitely the S22 having a small edge, I would say. Now TikTok. What? Okay, S22 Ultra definitely winning here. Let's just try to scroll down through the movies itself. Let's just go to inbox. Let's try to add a new video. Again, I think in the social apps, we just see that the S22 Ultra has a very small edge compared to the S21 Ultra. But okay, now let's just do the Spotify. Wow. Oh, okay, S21 Ultra, winning the Spotify. Now, let me just close the Spotify. I just want to reopen it again because that's I think something I noticed when I was doing my, pre-test for the video. Let me just try to open Spotify again. Yep, I think here the S21 Ultra really is taking the win and the lead, but okay, I just want to do this one more time. Let me just try to open Spotify one more time. There is something with Spotify. It seems to be not so well optimized all the time, but yeah, I think 3 times in a row, and the S21 is winning over the S22. Now, we finished the first section, guys. Now we are into the very much heavily graphic intensive part of the game, so without any further ado, Asphalt 9. Okay, one of the best games out there, you can play free. Oops, loading here was a bit quicker, I guess. Yeah, definitely. Loading time, S22 Ultra was quicker. Let's see, loading the game. Let's see which phone is going to start the real game first. Pressing the play button, okay. All right, here you see, this phone is loading, this phone is loading as well. Oh, okay, yep. The S22 here is really having a win over the S21 Ultra. S22 absolutely doing a better job now. Okay, in terms of gameplay, probably worth doing another video. S22 Ultra really winning this round by loading the game quicker and also starting the real game faster. Alright, so the next game is the PUBG Mobile. Okay, let's see who is gonna win this round. Oh, okay, I think it's a clear win, guys, clear win. The next game is going to be the Odyssey, so let's just start Odyssey as well. Okay, who's gonna be first? I think absolutely 1-to-1, like pretty much the same performance from the S21 Ultra and the S22 Ultra. They are even showing the very same animation, so no clear winner here. They just started the game at absolutely the very same time. Yep, you can just see. Okay. Next thing I want to test is the Roblox, so let's start Roblox as well. Who's gonna load it first? Yes, the S22 Ultra again, just by a tiny bit, but winning. Let's just try some scrolling here. Scrolling is, by the way, awful here on the S22 Ultra, but you know what? It's probably the same here as well. So yeah, not sure why. Maybe a bit smoother on the S21 Ultra here for some reason. Either it's not optimized or something else, but or no, both phones. Terrible scrolling. Okay, let's go back. And now, guys, let's do some rendering tests. So, okay, let's just go open CapCut. I have rendered some projects I want to show you. So, all right, I did restart the application and now I was able to match the same conditions. So we have 1080p here, 60 FPS, 1080p here, 60 FPS. The estimated file size is going to be 35 megabytes. So just let's render the video. Okay. Yep. Oh, that's very tight. No. Oh, no. Definitely the winner again here was the S22 Ultra Exynos 2200. A lot of people are now putting a lot of blame to this chip, but let's hope it's not so bad. After all, in the beginning, right? Because I know Samsung are gonna make this a great phone anyway. Alright, guys, now let's open some Google applications. Let's open the Google. Alright, I think it was clear. S22 Ultra taking the lead, winning here. Let's see the scrolling. I think very smooth on both devices. If we just go to collections, we just go back to discover. No, very smooth. Okay. Alright. Now let's open Chrome, guys. I cannot judge. I think probably about the same. Let's now go and open YouTube. Oh, S21 Ultra was able to load this quicker. Okay, that's interesting. I'm not sure why this happened. So let me just try to do this test again, guys, just to be 100% sure. YouTube again. Okay, yeah, it was about the same right now. It was about the same. So yeah, I'll take this as a draw. Let's open some stock Samsung applications. The clock. Yeah, okay, that was a draw. Let's go for the Samsung 3. Yeah, wow, okay. I mean, you see, loading times are really optimized, guys. That's, of course, like the better and the faster phone at the moment. Although this phone is really heavily optimized for like benchmark and throttle, etc. Let's go open the game launcher. Okay, about the same. All right, guys, you know what? Let's now open the camera. Okay, clear winner, I guess. Let's close the camera and just open it one more time so that we are absolutely sure in the results. Again, yes, definitely S22 Ultra doing a better job. Let's just switch the camera, okay, and again, yep, you know, I think that's quite clear, guys. You can just see, yes, this is absolutely quicker, yeah, no doubt, okay. Yes, S22 Ultra doing a better job, and I know, this is really a huge problem with a lot of the One UI users out there. I really hope that Samsung can and will optimize the camera experience whatsoever. Let's now check my notifications. Whoop. Okay, it's about the same. Okay, see guys, like I just cloned those phones for those tests, like this is the whole idea, right? Okay, now let's go into the settings. Okay. Yep, about the same. Settings. Okay, about the same. Let's now go to the recent menu. Okay, very smooth on both phones. Again, very smooth, I think, on both phones, right? Let's now try to check again some of the first applications. Snapchat. Oh, okay, it was good. Okay, and let's now open and try to reload the Spotify. Up. Okay, reloading here faster on the S22 Ultra. Let's reload Ashpalt. Ooh, okay. Yeah, was this a draw or the S21 Ultra won this? Both phones are kind of like refreshing the game, and the S21 Ultra, took the win here. That was interesting. Reloading Alto. Yeah, absolutely. I think with games, S21 Ultra definitely having an edge over the S22 Ultra. But when it comes down to some of the other apps, like the social apps, I think here it's very clear that we have the S22 Ultra as a winner. Let's open now TikTok. Yeah, I think it was almost like 1-1. So guys, this has been kind of like the speed test between the S22 Ultra and the S21 Ultra, and I can say it's a legit claim. Probably 80 and above 80%, the S22 Ultra was able to cope faster, not only with loading time, but also with processing times. So yeah, I think I'm really not surprised. I was expecting for this to be the case. I want to hear what you think on the results. Let me know in the comments down below the video. And guys, please, you and your family stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more videos like this. VST over, and bye.